So if you have a quadratic equation like, let's say ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, your a is known as the coefficient of x squared. Your b is known as the coefficient of what? X. And the c is a constant, that is, it does not have any variable x, right? So it's a constant. Transfer this constant to this side, right? So that will give us what? That will give us ax squared plus bx is equals to what? Plus c. Crossing over will give us what? Minus c, right? So once we have done that, the next thing for us to do is to divide all through with the coefficient of x squared, right? So let's do that. So we have divide both sides by the coefficient of x squared. Ax squared over a plus bx over a is equals to minus c over a. So this will give us what? A will cancel a, giving us x squared plus bx over a is equals to minus c over a. Okay? So the next thing for us to do here now is to add the square of half of coefficient of what? X to both sides of the equation. I repeat, add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. And what is the coefficient of x? That is b over a. Okay, so what is half of it? Half of b over a, let's look at it. We have b over a divided by what? 2. So this will give us b over a. If we change this to times, this will become 1 over what? 2, right? And that will give us b times 1 is b over what? 2. A times 2 is what? Is 2a. So half of the coefficient of x is b over 2a. So the square of it will have this. So you add this to both sides of the equation. So we're going to have what? We're going to have x squared plus bx over a plus the square of half of the coefficient of x, right? Which is what? B over 2a squared. So have b over what? 2a all square is equals to minus c over a plus, you also add it to this side. So we have b over what? 2a all square, right? So let's know what this is. So this will give us what? So we have x squared plus bx over a plus b over what? 2a square is equals to minus c over a plus b square, right? Over 2a square is what? Is 4a square, right? So let's continue from this side. So this will give us what? This will give us x squared plus bx over a plus b over what? 2a square is equal to what? So here, the LCM of a and 4a square is 4a square. So their LCM is what? 4a square. So 4a square divided by a, what will remain here is what? Is 4a times minus c. That will give us what? Minus 4ac. So we have plus, right? Plus, now 4a square divided by 4a square will give us 1. 1 times b square will give us what? B square. Okay? So let's continue. So this will give, so I want us to change this so that b square will be this side and minus 4ac will be this side. So that will give us what? That will give us x square plus bx over what? A plus b over 2a square is equals to b square minus 4ac over what? 4a square. So we have x squared plus bx over a plus b over 2a squared. So let's combine the square, and that will give us what? That will give us x plus b over what? 2a all square is equal to what? B square minus 4ac over 4a square. So let's find the square root of both. Square root of this, we cancel this square, giving us what? Giving us x plus b over what? 2a is equals to the square root of what? B square minus 4ac over 4a square. Do not forget, this should be what? Plus or minus. Why? Why plus or minus? Because the root, when we talk about root, we're talking about the solution or the answer to quadratic equation is usually two value, right? So this will give us what? If you look at this place, we have the root of what? B square minus 4ac over 4a square. Do not forget your sod, where you have the root of b over a is something as the square root of b over the square root of what? A. So we're going to apply that here. And if we apply that, that will give us what? That will give us x plus what? B over 2a is equals to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. We cannot find that, so we'll leave it as it is. So we have square root of what? B square minus 4ac over the square root of 4a square is what? Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of a square is a. So we have what? We have 2a, right? So now let's transfer b over 2a to this side so that we can know the value of our x. X is equals to minus b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, right? So let's find the LCM of 2a and 2a. Okay, so let's continue this side. If we continue from here, this will give us what? Our x is equals to, okay, the LCM of 2a and 2a is what? Is 2a. So we're going to have 2a divided by 2a is 1 times minus b is what? Is minus b plus or minus the square root of what? 2a divided by 2a is 1 times this. We're going to have b square minus 4ac. Okay? So when you look at this, you find out that we have finally derived the formula method from completing the square method. Okay, so why I have to do this is to show you the general step you can use to solve problem that concerns completing the square method under quadratic equation. And from there, you can see that we are able to derive, this is the formula method we derive from completing the square method. Okay, so what happens is this. If under the formula method, you simply apply the end solution, okay? But from completing the square method, you have to work from the first step until you arrive at this. But if you are required to use the formula method, you simply use this and you get the answer you are looking for. So in our next video, we are going to be taking examples under completing the square method. And after that, we'll look at the formula method, which is applying this method, this formula that we have derived from completing the square method. Thank you very much. Make sure you share this video and invite others to join this class. This is Project Maths. Thank you and God bless you.